Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening the video. We are in Jamaica. Actually, we are on the dual carriageway on Hagley Park Road. Tony, remember when this was one lane? Chuck up. A minute you can't even drive. Bus and taxi are stuck in front of you.
I'm crossing right here.
Yeah, this is now no right turn. I think this is Kingston Avenue. No right turn at Kingston, everybody. You have to go straight.
Okay, that's different.
So you have all the people who sell parts usually on this road. So you have Excel.
Bert's used to be here too.
We just passed Cat's Auto.
Alex is still here?
Yeah, Bert's is back up the road. We still have Honda Superior. No, you can't buy a place on the road there, Tony. You should have bought it a long time ago. All the old house them gone.
Please turn up.
Yeah, development. Who used to live on Hagley Park Road, off Hagley Park Road? So the man them shot it past me and them have run towards the stoplight in Antonia. I pity some man drive them car, them man. Sometimes I wonder what going through their heads, these men.
They want to be first.
You know, first.
I think they just want to be in front.
Yes.
I guess maybe we'll spend too much time at the back of the line. As a race.
As a race? So why women don't have that urgency to be jumping in front of other people in their cars? Heading to the stoplight. You're going to stop on that red.
True.
Why women don't have that urgency? I don't know. I'm telling me people still selling donuts to you through the window.
I remember when I was little and they're doing the same thing what I was talking about. Nothing has changed. It's the same color, the red and pink and white box too.
Exactly.
Is it one company that sells them?
Yeah.
I guess that's their marketing plan works for them, so they stick with it.
Yeah, donut through the window, man. I tell you. Just man, I need to be in the left lane. Come, cabby.
Why need to be in the left lane?
Because we're going to Spanish Town. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new double head over bridge at 3 Mile. Tony, you remember it was roundabout first. There was a roundabout here first, you know.
I don't remember.
Then it became a stoplight, and it was named Portia Simpson Miller Square.
I think that was before my time because I only remember the Porsche one.
Okay. So it was a roundabout first, then a stoplight. Now it is a bridge. Now, if you're going to Portmore, you would have gone up on that bridge, but I'm not going to Portmore.
No, you can drive on the down here and go Portmore too.
Oh, yes, you can. Yes, you can keep left. But why would I come under here, sir, and have the nice bridge I can't go up on?
Well, I did it because we picked up someone along here.
Oh, down here, the commercial zone.
Right, so I guess like the bus would go here.
So this is under the bridge. Look like a nice place to put up a house. What you say? You have roof.
Where are we trying to get to?
You have some serious columns. We're going to Spanish Town. So we're going to make a right turn at the stoplight. So the man selling donut here, man. Prestige.
Oh.
Prestige, but we don't eat donut, too much sugar.
Too much white sugar.
I used to love donuts doing that.
They have donuts with brown sugar in it?
Yeah, I don't know. I used to love donuts as a kid. I think they start make some now with coconuts. You know coconut flakes?
Yes.
Yes, they start make some like that. But ladies and gentlemen, this is Jamaica. We have lots of improvements. Those of you overseas who want to come back home, I suggest you start making plans to come back home. Because if you wait, it's a Tony, them can't afford it.
That makes the boat go and leave some people already.
Yes, some people just can't catch a boat again.
But maybe they can build a tiny home. Yeah, it seems not my idea, but I think it's a thing that could work.
They could build a tiny home.
Yeah.
Alright, so they might miss out on the mansion.
Right.
And the castle.
Yes.
But you could probably build a tiny home. Maybe Tony have a point there, you know.
And get back home.
So what you said, they must just buy a piece of land then. Buy a piece of land. So look out for the land developments that we're going to have coming. And Tonian is purporting that you put a tiny home. So Tony, you have tiny home designs that you're going to be giving these people or showing them?
I should, really get them going on the idea.
Or you should probably build one yourself first.
Build one, right? And then show them that people, this can be done here in Jamaica.
Right.
And we don't need it to be mobile either. We just need it to be livable.
Right. We don't want it on the wheels, right?
Right.
Because you would have had your own land. So you could build a tiny home with just maybe studio type, what you say?
Right. And because you've built a tiny home, you have space now to plant. Instead of the house taking up the whole of the land.
So what you say? You can plant your tomato,
Your onion. Your mango tree.
Okay, I got you. So build a tiny home. How tiny though?
Maybe 400 square feet.
That's small.
How much space do you really need to be?
Okay, so you could get a bedroom out of that 12 by 12. That's 144 square feet. So you would still have 200 and something square feet left. You could probably put a little living and a little kitchen area.
Right.
Okay. Tiny home sound like the way you want to go. 400 square feet, you say?
Yeah.
And what that would look like though, it would have a little porch.
Right. Porch, so you can spend some time outside in the garden that you're going to create with the fruit trees.
And you would have maybe a little pet dog.
Yeah.
Who could run around too, and I'm at Seaview Gardens, left for Seaview, watch him go through the stoplight. Must be a man in a one.
What if somebody was crossing?
Yeah, or one of these cars that come out. Sure. So the man make me forget the dreaming. Alright, so Tony, what is the dreaming
Tiny
about?
dog, remember?
Tiny dog. Because you have no tiny homes, you need a tiny dog.
But you have land, so you can put him outside too.
Oh, if you get a dog, you probably build a little space for the dog too, right? Maybe the porch.
Right, porch to enjoy some Jamaica sunshine.
And what else? So what kind? Boy, I'm trying to visualize this tiny home. So you would probably enter it, and maybe to the left would be the living room, and to the right would be the kitchen, and then maybe straight ahead would be the bedroom and the bathroom.
Right, or you put all plumbing on one side and the others on the other side.
Oh, so you put the kitchen and the bathroom on one side, and then you have the living and the bedroom on the other side.
Yeah, that's an option.
That's another option. And what would this roof look like? So would it be slabbed or would it be?
Well, it depends on how high you went. Because if you use hip roof, then maybe you can have space for storage at the top, like a little attic.
I mean gable roof.
Gable roof.
So you could probably have a little attic in the top, or you could have a loft.
Or a loft space, I guess.
So that when your mother come over, you go in the loft and me down at the bottom.
Right.
Oh, it don't sound bad. 400 square feet of house. How much could we build that for? Oh, we're gonna find out. Tony, how much money you have? You say you're saving your money now for this.
I am.
You're not throwing it away like you did before.
I'm not.
Okay. So the fixtures that in this little tiny house.
Are you sure we're going the right way?
We're going towards Spanish Town.
That's where Tools is?
Oh my goodness. Gonna have to turn around. You see a chat me out. I forgot that I was actually going to Tools.
Where's Tools though?
Behind us.
How far?
When we came under the bridge, we should have made a left turn.
Oh, not far.
No, it's far. Because we're heading to Spanish Town. But people, you get to see Spanish Town Road. With all the industrial things going on. The left we just came over the bridge, and on the left would be Berger, yeah. Right here, so now if we go right, we're on Waymouth Drive. And we would go into Washington Gardens. But we're gonna make a U-turn here, so, and go back the way we're coming from. So Tony, what you will need for this tiny house? Because a tiny house, you're only outfitting one bathroom, correct?
And one kitchen.
So really and truly, you could actually start buying up what you would need for a bathroom.
Everything, face, basin, toilet. I think I saw toilets the other day for what, 14,000?
14,000.
Yeah.
You could also buy the faucet. Right. So instead of buy some Burger King or KFC, You can buy the mixer with the hose, the mowing mixer, guys.
Alright.
Because it's one bathroom, right?
Yes.
So you can splurge.
And I can finally buy those subway tiles instead of the regular tiles.
Subway tile, why not the money they turn up? Subway tile could have been the whole bathroom, friend. So we're talking about, real nephews on my left. I wonder if they're selling those barrels.
Oh, that's nice.
So real nephews on my left. Everybody know the big real nephew. We gave the world rum. White rum. All you people love to travel, you know you carry that in your suitcase, right? Spectrum Roofing. I've used their roofing, very good. We use membrane from Spectrum to membrane your house when it is leaking. Right? Fosca Oats. JC Ramson, they're the ones who bring us that.
Fosca Oats is like their most popular product.
It is.
I still eat Fosca Oats, and I remember having it when I was little.
Your Rachel still eat Fosca Oats. Why Tony not change, man?
And the crazy thing is because I grew up on Fosca Oats, the other oats don't taste as good.
Yeah, just the Fosca Oats it have to be. Alright. So amalgamators, distributors on the left. Alright, so they do a lot of distribution of things as well. Big old trailer truck in front of me. Coming up to Toyota, Jamaica. Toyota, Jamaica. We drive Toyota vehicles, very good company. Them vehicles like can't done in a Tony. Toyota.
They're like workhorse vehicles.
Workhorse vehicles, yeah. Heading back to 3 miles. So Tony, what else for this tiny house that you're trying to convince me that tiny house is the way to go?
Let me see. So 400 square feet, you can get a bedroom. If you build the roof a little higher, you can get a loft space. That's technically 2 sleeping spaces, kitchen, bathroom, and a little living area. And then you make a porch type on the front so you can go outside and sit down.
Okay, well, 400 square feet. We're building now at $10,000 per square feet.
Yes.
So I could probably build that for you for $4 million.
Okay.
Yeah, $4 million.
Not in cash.
Alright. So
You need a loan. Would they give you a loan for that though? Like when you show them the design, would they give you
of course.
a loan to build that?
NHG will give you a loan.
Okay.
NHG gives up to 6.5 million.
But you know, if you do this, what I always think with the NHT, you show them your building plan and NHT says it can only build this. But then you line out the whole thing and then you really never get, after you use your NHT, you still don't get the rest of the money. So you always live in this half a house.
Exactly. You're constantly on a construction site.
Right. But if you had just done the 400 square feet, NHT money would have covered it and you'd have had a complete house with finishes and everything
exactly,
to live in.
To live in. And you live comfortably. Now, if you're a parent like me and you're thinking of this, then you could do this. 1 bedroom, your children come, you have a pull-out sofa and those things, them sleep on a pull-out sofa. Or them sleep in a sleeping bag, you Tony? Or them just bounce it on the floor. For the 2 or 3 little night or the 1 week that they're gonna be there. And then they can come add on if them want.
This is also an option for those persons who have older parents out here in the countryside and you want to put them somewhere comfortable to live. You just build them a tiny home.
Just build them a tiny home. You don't need to be doing this elaborate thing and have steel stand up in the ear and block when I render and madness, Tony.
Yeah.
Madness. So, your tiny home idea don't sound bad enough. You might just be on the way to convincing me. I'm at 50% convinced here now.
What to run the numbers though?
If I'm at 50%, I know the numbers. It's, as I say, a 400 square feet will cost 4,000 complete with tile and bathroom, everything finished.
This is at the good end of tile and bathroom or the poor end of tiling and those things?
It depends. It depends. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm at Tools Hardware. So this is where you would buy the tools tile for the tiny house. Tonya.
Yes.
Alright. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for staying with us. And you can follow us on our journey for the tiny, to see what we do with this tiny house, right, Tony?
Yes.
All right, talk soon. Bye bye.